Meetings, information sharing, brainstorming, last-minute updates, and responding to clients and coworkers are all tasks that need to be completed. Phew! It's a lot in a day's labor. Managing the job is sometimes more tiring and difficult for many managers than actually doing the job. There is, however, assistance available. For more, keep scrolling. So, what exactly are these tools? These tools are designed to assist with activities such as communication, scheduling, and consistency, as well as saving you time and effort by centralizing all input and activity. Here are 5 excellent management tools for resolving various difficulties that you should investigate to see whether they are suitable for you. Number 1. Soldering iron kits. This is a revolutionary soldering iron that makes the process easier and faster. The gadget may also use hot air in addition to traditional soldering. This is addressed in the kit with the appropriate tip. You can swap these tips without having to wait for them to cool off thanks to a specific connector. Because of its small size, the device is suitable for working in cramped areas. It can work more freely due to the lack of cables, yet it runs on butane. The body comes with a level indicator and costs around $160. Number 2. Felch Paint Roller Cleaner. If you're tired of cleaning paint rollers by hand, you might want to investigate the equipment below. This small portable cleaner was created by the German business Phew. All that is required of the user is to place the roller inside, cover it, and then press the lever. The gadget uses powerful water jets to evenly treat the surface, removing the paint before wringing out the roller. Depending on the size of the roller, the technique takes 5 to 8 seconds. Chemicals are also not necessary, and the chamber is large enough to accommodate practically any size painting instrument. Number 3. Vivo Tire Dolly 450 pounds. And here's a gizmo that can make car mechanics' jobs a whole lot easier. This is a unique dolly that makes it easier and faster to transfer big wheels for trucks and other special equipment. The mechanic positions the tire dolly beneath the wheel and then presses the handle. When the tire dolly picks up the wheel, it carries the entire weight of the vehicle. All you have to do now is pull the cart forward while gently holding the wheel to keep it from falling off. The design is straightforward but effective, and it fails without causing harm. $70 is the price. Number 4. Whack-All Applicator 90. Most parking adhesive comes in small tubes, which can be difficult to empty fully. As a result, the German business Whack-All has developed the following accessory. 3 identical variants are available for tubes weighing 13.5 to 142 ounces. The most powerful equipment, the Model 90, is cordless, so you may walk about freely while working. The price includes an 8-inch distribution head, a rapid charger, and a travel case with a stand. Number 5. Google Docs. Google Docs offers free tools that can be used on any computer and do not require the installation of software. Templates for spreadsheets, papers, and slide presentations are among the tools. Everything you work on is stored locally on your computer, so you can access it even if you don't have access to the internet. When you require other people's input, you may customize permissions to match your needs and grant them edit, comment, or view-only access to the documents. Another nice feature of these tools is that you can see your document's revision history, allowing you to go back and review prior incarnations. Number 6. Goldblatt's Dust-Free Hand Sander. After puttying, sanding the walls will no longer be a filthy and dusty operation, all thanks to a Goldblatt Industries gadget. This sanding tool comes with a built-in hose, allowing it to be linked to a shop vacuum. The device is capable of capturing up to 90% of the dust produced during work. The hose is 6 feet long with a 360-degree rotating connection. Both of these characteristics allow for greater mobility when sanding. You may even operate without wearing a mask because the gadget is so trustworthy. The cost begins at $34. Number 7. Demo-Dek. The design is straightforward but effective. This deck removal tool is best described as such. It was made with wood in mind. You can quickly pick up a hardwood slat with a Demo-Dek and take it out. The unique construction is the key to efficiency. The device functions in the same way as a lever. It produces a large breakout force while also saving the worker a lot of time and effort. Working with practically any type of decking is possible with the Demo-Dek. It also includes a nail removal tool. The cost of the item is $120. Number 8. Back saver. Using a back saver to drill holes in concrete floor slabs makes the job considerably easier. It attaches to your rotary hammer and makes your job easier. While providing steady pressure to the instrument, you will be more productive and in a more comfortable position. The back saver also serves to attenuate the dangerous vibrations created by the perforator, reducing the chance of injury. While working, the company offers a variety of attachments for various models, ranging in price from $540 to $570. Because Matador door jack doors are large and hefty, they have been used in the past. At least 2 people are involved in the installation process. Matador experts discovered a solution to cut the amount of personnel on the site while increasing output. They created a door jack, which is a gadget that combines the functions of a jack and a hand truck in one device. The gadget allows you to move and flip the door by yourself with a 330-pound lifting capacity. As a result, you can use the door jack to open practically any door. Approximately $300 is the cost. Number 9. F130M Edelgrappa. A battery-operated hydraulic rebar cutter is the next tool on our list. They are in high demand not only for building work, but also for cutting cables, catalytic converters, metal sheets, and automobile chassis. With a working pressure of 55 megapascal, it can also clean debris. The model has a compact size and a relatively low weight of about 26 pounds. The maximum blade opening width is 5 inches. Number 10. Works 4VWX24. Works Tools has created a tool that may be used in any household. With a set of 26 bits, this compact cordless screwdriver allows you to complete basic repairs around the house much more quickly. It can work in confined spaces and is suitable for hard-to-reach areas. The tool is always in working order thanks to the built-in LED light and the battery charge indicator. $50 is the price. Number 12. Bora Tool Miter X Angle Duplicator. You can make the procedure of linking baseboards a lot easier for about $35. The truth is that room corners virtually never meet at a perfect 90-degree angle. As a result, when installing baseboards, it's easy to make a mistake. Number 13. WX685. Here's another tool from the same firm. Today's model is the WX685, an oscillating multi-tool with exceptional adaptability thanks to the developers. Because of the interchangeable accessory system, this multi-tool is capable of a wide range of repairs and disassembly tasks. For instance, sawing wood, grinding carpet, cutting metal and plastic pipes, nailing drywall, and removing tiles. There are numerous alternatives, and the model is great for working with difficult-to-reach areas and embossed surfaces due to its small size and angular accessories. It will set you back around $50. Number 14. Flexi Crane. Let's have a look at some storage options. This vacuum lifter can handle cartons of almost any size. The Flexi Crane lifts products gently and allows you to move them about in space without exhausting yourself. The unit boasts a 143-pound lifting capability, a flexible suction cup holder with a 13-foot working range, and a 360-degree rotating holder for more convenience and mobility. Number 15. Rocket Milwaukee. A cordless flashlight from an American manufacturer is today's cool tool. Milwaukee, the device is lightweight and portable, allowing it to be used even when power is unavailable. Its 27,000 lumens of brightness are sufficient to illuminate the entire work area. The region will be as bright as possible even in the dark. The last advantage is that the unit is so stable that it can withstand even strong winds. The height of the stand is adjustable. The maximum is 10 feet during transportation. The height is no more than 4 to 4 inches. The price is $3,000. Number 16. Team Communication, Slack. This is an excellent tool for team communication. It takes care of the mess and tracking that single-line emails might cause in your inbox. Within Slack, you may create different channels for different jobs or clients to help you organize information. You can use Slack to make reminders, tag people, and add links that take team members straight to a document you want them to see. You'll receive alerts when someone posts to a channel you're a part of once you download the app to your phone or install it on your PC, so you won't have to keep checking for messages. In the comments section below, tell me which other makes your life easier. Thanks a lot for watching. That's all for today. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and turn on the post notification for more amazing videos.